Welcome to the introduction of my harmonic pattern course. I just made this course. I finished it. I've been working on this for almost more than a week. A lot of information, right? So, yeah. So this course is about different things. Like first, a couple of videos I have here in about the Fibonacci tool, how to fix the tool, how to make changes in it, and how to make it properly and use it properly. Two different tools: Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci expansion, and there's another way to use it, which is Fibonacci extension, right? So one must need to know how to use it properly in order to measure these lengths, right? So, for example, this is a bad pattern here. It was playing out and then turning into a butterfly pattern and end up finishing here. And now the butterfly pattern is finished and then probably is going to drop, making another pattern, pattern after pattern, pattern after pattern. So, what are these patterns? There are several patterns out there in the market. On the internet, you probably find 30, 40 patterns, right? I only use 4 or 5. That's it, maximum, because they are the one that I use. They are relevant to the Elliott wave, right? Elliott wave is the real thing, and it works, and so these patterns works. And then you don't need to do PhD in this course, right? You have to know enough to do your trading profitably. That's it. So, for example, this is a diagram that if the move is on the way, then right here, right, for example, you have a choice that the price might make a Girdley or bat or Bertley, on some kind of harmonic pattern, or it may just go straight up to the upside, and bearish move to the downside, right? So this is you have to know where these pattern will show up and why and when. Now this one is a bullish bat, different. This is a Girdley. It has a different calculation. This is a butterfly pattern here, right? Now this diagram showing that where these patterns show up, right? If this pattern shows up here, it's no good. Or if this pattern shows up here, it's no good. Or if this pattern shows up here, it's no good, right? So you need to know exactly the location of these patterns, where they show up. Now, for example, I give you that this was a bad pattern back in February 1st. And then this, when it start playing out, then you see they start to go up. And then this was a pattern here, and then start to go up and turn into another pattern, butterfly. I said, okay, now it is going for this. It's going to drop first and then go to the upside and all of that. And look what happened, right? They did just like that. It dropped and it went all the way 161. Now the butterfly pattern is complete, and now it's going to make another pattern, which one maybe or not, But the thing is, you have to be if you know exactly what are these patterns, then you can watch out for them, right? If they are showing up, or if they are like cooking, then you can find ahead of time. I made like 15 16 trades just going from here to here. Like I said, that all yen pairs, when I made this pattern first, I said that all yen pairs gonna go up. So it's long, long, long. Along everything: pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, CAD yen, NUSI yen, everything except franc yen. I don't trade that. So yeah, that's what that's what it is. So this is how this course is all about. Then you learn every single thing, and you become master of these, and then you will know exactly where and what is happening. This is also, you can see that these patterns and making like this head and shoulder pattern, right? A lot of people don't know that this is what it is. This is, these are the butterfly or a crab pattern on the left, and then bat, Bertley or Gertley on the right side that makes left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and drop, right? So I'll teach you every single thing in this video. I have like so far 6 or 7 videos already, and I'm planning to make 3 more. So by the time you watch this video, I will be completing this, and then this whole course will be on my website, available for everyone. Okay. So this is how it is, and just go to my website here. Right now, it's not showing up because it's not there. But like I said, that by the time you see the video, it will be here. Omar made the page already, but it's not public yet. So he's gonna prepare everything and then put it on here. after this course, and hopefully I'll make Elliott wave course as well, right? Once you learn these things, I mean, the market will come under your feet, believe me or not. This is how powerful it is. Everything is, I mean, for last 14 years, I'm doing this and I learned every single thing that what happened actually. And I created a few more things into it, which I'll show you about the, in harmonic pattern and in Elliott wave, my own findings. And they work very, very well. Right. So I will, you will learn already, if you're probably, watching this video, and then if you get the course, you will learn all of that. All right. So I'm going to let you go now. And one request that don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time with the setups, that so you can take advantage of those setups. And have a very wonderful rest of the training week. And hopefully I'll talk to you guys later.